Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well and had a great weekend. And I just wanted to welcome you to another week of remote learning. We are so proud of you and all of your hard work that you've done so far. You have really risen to the challenge. So we applaud you. Us sixth grade teachers have been talking. We can't believe what a great job you guys have been doing. So please keep it up and just remember, we are here to help you however we can. So keep that in mind. And we have loved seeing you in the Zoom session. So keep that up. Keep coming to those. I like it because not only do I get to see your faces, but I get to hear how you're doing and what you're up to. So again, if you can attend the Zoom sessions, please try to. We love seeing you and love checking in with you. We're going to go over our social studies for the week. So I thought this would be a great opportunity just so you can hear what we're going to be up to this week. This week, again, we are going to continue with our ancient civilizations and our learning on Egypt. As you know, we've learned about Mesopotamia. We've learned about early humans. Last week, we learned about ancient Egypt. And then this week, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper with ancient Egypt. So our focus question for this week is the same. Again, how did cultures, economic systems, government, technologies, and agricultural practices affect ancient Egypt and influence the Eastern Hemisphere and the practices that we have today? So keep that in mind as you are doing your learning this week. We are going to this week focus and go back to Ohio Studies Weekly for our learning. So this week we're going to be focusing on week 7, that is on ancient Egypt. So on Monday, what we'd like you to do is read Life in Ancient Egypt. That's the first article, and watch the video that goes with it. Read Pharaoh's statue discovered and watch the video that goes with it. And after you do that, then we want you to go over to Brain Pop. We haven't used Brain Pop as much for our remote learning, but there are some great ancient Egypt videos that go with it. So I want you on Brain Pop to go to Egyptian pharaohs and watch that video. To get onto Brain Pop, you're going to type in the username McCormick1 and then the password Brain Pop. So that will get you onto that so you can watch that video. Then what I'd like you to do is go to Schoology, and then I want you to think from your learning on Monday, what were the 3 most interesting or new facts that you learned? So I want you to try to focus on what new things did you learn as you read those articles and listened to that Brain Pop on Egyptian pharaohs. So that is what Monday is going to look like. Tuesday, we're going to continue with our Ohio Studies Weekly. I'd like you to read the 3rd article. It is also called Read Life in Ancient Egypt. So that's the 3rd article, and watch the video that goes with that. That's a little bit longer of a video, so that's why we're only going to do that first one there. And then I want you to go back over to Brain Pop. There is a Brain Pop on mummies. So I'd like you to log on. Again, remember the login information is on Monday. Watch Mummies. And after you do that, I want you to head over to Flipgrid. And then what are some facts that you learned today on Tuesday about what life was like in ancient Egypt? And tell me some new things you learned about mummies. So we're going to use Flipgrid to help us with that. And again, the link for Flipgrid is on there. You guys have been doing a great job with your videos so far. On Wednesday, we're going to continue with Ohio Studies Weekly. I want you to read Jean-Francois Champollion, and also read Pyramids and watch the video that goes with that, and read A Key Made of Stone. Now, after you're done with that, this is where you are going to get to be creative and fun. I want you to think of an easy project that you can do with ancient Egypt. You can literally do anything to show the learning that we've been doing with ancient Egypt. I listed some ideas here. So a pyramid of Legos, a toilet paper roll mummy, just easy. Take a toilet paper roll, wrap it, put eyes on it. Hieroglyphics name poster. Maybe use the hieroglyphics and write out your name on a poster. Mummy dogs, that is kind of making with hot dogs and crescent rolls, mummies. Make a 4D pyramid. You can make an Egyptian collar from a paper plate. Again, I saw that. I thought that was a creative and easy idea. Nile River made of Play-Doh. And then I've also put a website here that has some additional ideas and shows some pictures. And again, if you think of something else, awesome. I want you to use things that you have around your house that can show your learning of Egypt. So again, the sky's the limit on this one. But I want you to work on that project a little bit on Wednesday, a little bit Thursday, and then hopefully finish it up on Friday. So I can't wait to see all of the creative things that that you do. On Thursday, we're going to continue with Ohio Studies Weekly. We're going to take a look at the last article, and that is called Writing Hieroglyph Numbers. And I want you to read that article, and I want you to practice writing some hieroglyph numbers on a piece of paper. That isn't anything that you have to turn in, but I do want you to practice writing those numbers so you see what it was like for the people of ancient Egypt. And then after you're done with that, go ahead and complete the crossword and play the game Misspelled. So I want you to do those to kind of review what we've been learning about and continue working on your Egypt project. Then on Friday, we're going to wrap up for the week. Feel free to log on to Ohio Studies Weekly. That can help you with the quiz, but you're going to complete your quiz over week 7, Ancient Egypt. Your quiz will be on Schoology, so that will be there. And again, you can use any of those articles to help you be successful with that. And then I want you to finish your project, and then I want you to head to Flipgrid. And on your Flipgrid, I want you to record a video. I want you to tell us, what did you make for your Ancient Egypt project? How did you make it? And what does that have to do with our learning of ancient Egypt? So on there, we're going to be able to see all of the creative things that you have come up with to share your learning of the ancient civilization of ancient Egypt. And again, we're so proud of you. You guys have been doing a great job. Keep up the great work. Keep working hard. And as always, if you need anything, I'm here for you. Send me a dojo, email me, and I can give you a call if I can help you in any way. So miss all of you and hope to see all of you soon. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Miss you guys. Take care.